What's up, y'all? Today we made it out to Weaver Family MX in Dunn, North Carolina. We're having a huge pit bike race. There's $15,000 on the line. Let's go watch some races and have a good time.
Camera, oh, off the track, and A5 could be waiting after that one. Oh, pit bike's in the woods. Pit bike on the rhythm. Hitting a big old jump. Here he comes. Bike, here we go. Take it fast. Gotta make a mid-range revision of the track here. Oh! Fast finish! C70s? Uh-oh! Got a bump start to one. Oh, he's ready! He's ready! Pretty good race in here! Leader's coming around. These kids are ready for it. Oh, we got a jump start. Uh-oh. Fix the gate. Can't do that. Oh, there we go, another one. Night battle. Look at this. What a path. They're battling it out. Look at the whoops. Uh-oh. I asked that kid if he's gonna win before the race. He said yes. You look too pro not to win. And there you go. Last lap, buddy. What a great day of racing here at Weaver. It is absolutely packed behind me. Such a fun track, one of my favorite across the whole country. Got riders literally everywhere. This is Weaver Family MX out here in Dunn, North Carolina. Come on out if you haven't already. It's a great time to be. They got a good turn track. They got a beginner woods track. They have a pretty technical woods track, which involves some water crossings, some really skinny sections, some downhills, and some climbs. So let's not forget, it's a cross track like you just saw. So if you haven't already, come on out. Let them know Jim sent you. I'll catch y'all next video. This has been so much fun. Wish I would have raced, but arm needed a break, and I'm not sure I'm ready to race pit bikes yet. Yee-hoo! Got some river behind me on the 2 strokes. Till next time, y'all. Peace.